everybody, so I just got another shipment, which I just opened the top of the box and opened up the sides from, not Bella and Canvas, but it is Bella and Canvas shirts. So let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what we got. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ooh. All right. So I've been selling winter hats like crazy. Look at these winter hats. And I know winter's getting ready to finish up, so I didn't want to buy too many as I keep pulling them out of the box. And I had one customer wanted to do purple, so we ordered him a purple hat. And we're going to do his business name on it. So no big deal. So we got a couple winter hats. Ooh, what you know, what you know. Look at these hats. Bada boom. 5 black. 3 dark blue, 1 more blue, because I'm going to put this logo on. This is my logo here. And I got some more Make America Great hats going on. What's going on? No, I'm just kidding. Some Ferrari red ones. Let's see what else I got. Let's see what else. Some black Bella and Canvas extra large shirts. Extra large going crazy over here. I didn't realize how big people were until I started to do shirt sales. I saw a lot of 2X, 3X. This is 2X white. This is extra large white. These are Bella and Canvas. 2X black. Mediums in this color, just one. This is the missus. She wanted this one. And this one here. What size is this one? Large. I wanted to do one, and there's 2 other ones in there. So sweet. So just take this box and throw it over there. I got another shipment right there, but those ones are just blue sweatshirts. The regular old blue sweatshirts. You guys are going to ask me what brand of hats these are, and I don't know. I have no idea. The order sheet is in the box. But I can tell you, these are snapbacks. Authentic, the authentic snapback by Yupong. And it has a sticker that says since 1974. And these are the vintage. These are the classics. I mean, take a look at those. These are sick. Look at. Did my hat in this. This is amazing. I've sold 10 of these just by itself, so super stoked about that. The window cleaners, Bland Services. I made this for my worker. Let's see what else. Make America Great Again. Pretty cool hat. Right? Make America Great Again. Don't shop at Window Cleaning Resource. I'm just kidding. Well, that's it. That's all your boy got today. So I'm going to get all these done. These 5 hats are all spoken for. This is a $100 order right here with shipping. This is going to Texas. So I just got these in. These are going out with a bunch of stuff on it. This one is spoken for me. And then these are going to be, I don't know what. And these 4 hats, I have an idea of what I'm going to put on those. But that's it, man. What do you think? What you think? The boy's just doing his thing over here. Having fun in the